Hello, I'm Doug Allan, the wildlife and expedition cameraman. I've been going to the polar regions for over 40 years. My first winters in Antarctica were as a diver and a marine biologist, but then a chance meeting with David Attenborough opened my eyes to wildlife filming. I've worked for series like Planet Earth, The Blue Planet and Frozen Planet, and I've made more than 50 trips to the Arctic. Svalbard is one of my favourite locations in the world. It's an absolutely beautiful place, a spectacular world of snow, ice, icebergs. The colours are vibrant but subtle, they change all the time. It's the unexpectedness of Svalbard that attracts me. The mist clearing over the mountains so they look impossibly higher than you expected. The bird cliffs, so vertical that you'll have to crane your neck from the Zodiac to see the skyline. Polar bears roam across the sea ice looking for seals. Walrus lie in big pods on the beach. We always have a plan for the following day, but we always keep it flexible to take advantage of what we find at the time. Our expedition will run over the period of the midnight sun, when the sun will dip towards the horizon but will never actually fall below it. We'll have 24-hour daylight to look out for animals and catch those beautifully backlit icebergs. I'll be giving talks during the trip about my filming, and of course I'll always be available to pass on any photographic advice that anyone wants, no matter your level of experience. I want everyone to go away with special memories and a special place in their heart for the Arctic. Because experiencing the poles for yourself, you'll feel the respect for the place that I have come to feel. We need to protect them, we need to know about them in order to look after them. It's going to be a wonderful trip.